Members of the security forces are now conducting a major search operation in sections of northwest St. Elizabeth following reports that gunmen fleeing the state of emergency in St. James have been fleeing to that parish. Members of the police force and military, supported by helicopter, were combing Donegal, Bottom Woodlands and Springfield on Friday afternoon. Residents say several school children saw men with guns in the community early Friday morning.
I heard people in the community say it is not safe because strange people coming in and going out, and they look suspicious.
Children them go to school, they are scared and they're on the road, they are worried and so forth. We have to take them home, it to and from, and we don't want that.
Because I heard it was some school children who saw some men this man with gun or something like that.
Right, and two other persons see them.
Then come to shop and ask the person to buy something.
Right, and then refrain from selling them. And them see a man come and then walk out in a police.
Residents say they're more afraid at nights because of the absence of street lights in some areas and overgrown bushes. But they say the presence of soldiers is helping them feel safer. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Superintendent Catherine Lord, declined to comment on Friday's operations, but the police high command had placed neighboring parishes such as Westmoreland, Hanover, Trelawney and St. Elizabeth on high alert following the declaration of the state of emergency in St. James. Residents in these parishes have been urged to call the police if they see strange individuals in their communities.